In this recipe, I use
carrots
and furikake, which is a Japanese seasoning,
more salmon,
and white rice.
So the first thing you have to do is preheat the oven to 400. Wash and dry. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and salt and pepper. And now and I'm going to cook the salmon today, so the oven is ready for my carrots. I'm gonna place the carrots in the oven. Okay, this is washed. I'm gonna add the seasoning. Got it. And this has already brown sugar, smoked paprika, kosher salt, black pepper, and thyme. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. I really hope it's not spicy or not too much spicy, at least. A little bit of vegetable oil. I'm only going to put a little bit of salt in the back, just salt, nothing else. That's plenty, and that's